Hello friends, welcome to AutoRobo Innovations. In this video, we are going to discuss about AND logic gate. If and only if all the inputs are in state 1, the output of an AND gate attains state 1. That means if we have two inputs, for example A and B, then for output Y to be on, both the inputs should be on. If only A is on and B is off, then the output will not be on. Or if only B is on and A is off, then also the output Y will be off. So for output Y to be on, both the inputs, that is A as well as B, should be on, and then only Y will be on. So we will move to EcoStruxure Machine Expert, where we will draw a ladder diagram and implement AND logic gate. So I will click on this option for a full screen mode and then zoom into it like this. So firstly, I will insert a normally open contact here, and then I will insert one more normally open contact, and I will connect them in series, one after the another. And then I will insert a coil here. And then I will assign address to this normally open contact as I 0.0. I will also assign symbol to it as A. Yes, and then I will assign address to the second normally open contact as I 0.1. I will also add symbol to it as B. Yes. And then I will assign address to the coil as Q 0.0. I will also add symbol to it as Y. Yes. So here we have used two inputs A and B, and I have connected them in series, thus implementing AND gate. So for output Y to be on, both the inputs A and B both should be on, and then only Y will be on. When A is turned on, the current will flow through it, and then when B is also on, the current will also pass through it, and then Y will turn on. So I will exit full screen mode. I will go to commissioning and launch simulator. And then I will start controller. OK. So I will go to programming and click on full screen mode. So as you can see here, when I turn on A, the output is still false. And then when I turn on B as well, the output Y becomes true. So when I turn off A and only B is turned on, then the output Y is off. So for output Y to be on, both these inputs should be on. So I will exit full screen mode, go to commissioning and stop simulator. So I'll go to programming and click on full screen mode. So here I can also add one more input here, and I will assign address to it as I 0.2, and I will also add symbol to it as C. Yes. So here we have used three inputs, and for output Y to be on, all the three inputs should be on. If one input is off and another two inputs are on, then the output Y will not be on. So for output Y to be on, all the inputs A, B and C all should be on, and then only output Y will be on. So I will exit full screen mode. I will go to commissioning and launch simulator. Then I will start controller. So I'll go to programming and click on full screen mode. So as you can see here, when I turn on A, the output is off. And then I will turn on B, the output Y is still on. And when I turn on C, that is all the inputs are turned on, then only the output Y is on. So when we are going to implement AND gate, we will connect all the inputs in series, and then when all these inputs are turned on, then only the output Y will be on. It was all about AND logic gate. Thank you for watching.